Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Since wedding season is here, I know कि बहुत लोग wedding attend करने जा रहे होंगे and they are worried about their makeup look. So don't worry, I am here. So I am going to create a makeup look using minimum product but simple. मैं उतने प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ नहीं करने वाली हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज आई नो कि मेरे जो व्यूअर्स हैं मोस्ट ऑफ देम डोंट हैव सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स एंड ऑल्सो आई विल try to keep it simple because I know most of you are beginners too. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first I will start with skincare. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है अगर आप मेकअप अप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं देन उससे पहले आप अपने फेस को जो है बहुत अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज़ कर लीजिए, बहुत अच्छे से हाइड्रेट कर लीजिए. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ अ फेशियल ऑयल हेयर जस्ट बिकॉज अभी ठंड का मौसम है एंड माई स्किन इज़ गेटिंग ड्राई. बाय द वे आई एम नॉट लुकिंग एट द कैमरा, आई एम लुकिंग एट द स्क्रीन, सो मेरा विज़न थोड़ा सा घसक गया होगा, सो डोंट माइंड दैट. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो आफ्टर दिस स्टेप आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू समथिंग दैट अगर आपका रात का कोई फंक्शन है देन जस्ट अप्लाई योर मेकअप इसके बाद ही, लाइक दिस स्टेप के बाद ही. अगर आपका प्रोग्राम दिन का है एंड वो कोई हॉल के अंदर हो रहा है देन यू कैन ऑल्सो स्किप दिस स्टेप. बट अगर आपका जो फंक्शन है उसका जो वेन्यू है वो खुले आसमान के नीचे है एंड इट्स डे टाइम देन डोंट स्किप योर सनस्क्रीन. सिंस वेडिंग सीज़न है, फ़ोटोज़ लिए जाते हैं ढेर सारे एज़ यूजुअल. सो इफ़ यू अप्लाई अ सनस्क्रीन एंड if you will apply a sunscreen then it will give you flashbacks. So अगर आपका जो वेन्यू है वो कोई खुले आसमान के नीचे है जहाँ पे बहुत सारी नेचुरल लाइटिंग है then only apply a sunscreen, elsewise just skip that. Otherwise you are going to look like a white ghost in your photos, trust me, and we don't want that. So for today I am going to use a beauty blender for my makeup application. Throughout the video I am going to use this for almost everything. I like to mix my foundation with BB cream. Gives me a very good kind of glow. So this is the BB cream and this is the foundation. I will mix both of them in my hands and I will dot it all over my face and I will blend with this beauty blender. And I am going to use this side of the beauty blender. If you feel like any of the area of your face needs a little more coverage, then go ahead and use a little bit more foundation on only that part of your face. Like for example, I feel like my pigmentation are still peeking through, so I will take the foundation and I will dot it all over my hair and I will blend. So for concealer I like to use my same foundation. If you have concealer then just go ahead and use a concealer. I will let that sit for some 30 seconds and then I will blend it. इससे होगा क्या कि ये जो coverage है वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होगा. So for blending the foundation under my eyes I am going to use my ring finger. I am not going to use the beauty blender because beauty blender जो है वो product खींचता है and then I will be compromising with my coverage. So once you are done with blending with your ring finger then you can go ahead and use the beauty blender just once to make everything well blended. I'm going to use a powder for setting my face, so I'm going to use a loose powder. So I'm going to take this side of the beauty blender and I am going to dip it in the powder, and then I am going to pat the excess in my hand, and then I am going to set my eyes. I am also going to powder a little bit here. Whatever is left, I'm just going to go all over my face. I have taken no additional product and I am just dabbing it all over my face, just because I don't want to lose the glow that I have, but I also want to set my face. That's why. That's it. I am going to use this brown, no, not this one, for bronzing my face. You can also use a warm brown eyeshadow. Make sure कि जो color आप use कर रहे हैं that suits your skin tone well. Like if you don't have bronzer, then don't freak out. It's not necessary to use a bronzer as well. In case you want to just a little bit bronze your face, this is for you. So for bronzer I am going to use this same beauty blender, but I am going to use this same side. देखिए होता क्या है कि if you use your bronzer with this, then जो आपका जो फाउंडेशन के साथ जो मिक्स हो जाता है, then it will blend more seamlessly. So I am just going to place it here a little by little, and then I am going to blend. Anyways, अगर आप bronzer use कर रहे हैं, then don't drag it like this. Blend it like this, like in upward motion. For nose bronzing, I am going to use my pinky finger and I am just going to dip into the bronzer, and I am just going to use my ring finger to blend that out. What I am going to do next is I am going to take the same powder and same beauty blender and I am going to dip into this, and I am going to just clean For blush, I am going to use this lipstick. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take this again in my hands. I am not going to apply it directly or on my face because it's help pigmentate. So no, I'm not going to do that. Just take the clean side of your beauty sponge and
bit of blush here also, just to balance everything out, and here also.
Let's jump into the eyes. So for eyes, I am going to first fill in my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I am using this pencil. This is a brown one. I can't find my gray one, so I'm just going to use this, but gray look much better on me. I am just going to fill in the sparse area, nothing fancy. also you can use a eyeshadow like gray color eyeshadow or a brown color eyeshadow to fill in your eyebrows, but for that you will need a brush. I am just going to brush my brow hairs up and just going to fill the sparse area with a very light hand, and then I'm just going to brush everything just to blend everything out. So my brows are done. So let's jump into the eye next. I am going to use this brown lipstick. You can use lipstick color of your choice, like आपको जो भी पसंद है आप वो lipstick use कर लीजिए. I am just going to use a brown here because brown goes with everything. Brown is a neutral color. You can also use a nude lipstick if you want, but since my eyelids are a little bit darker, I am going to use a dark shade, otherwise it will not show off. So I am just going to apply it all over my lid. And in the edges I am just going to pat everything. I'm just going to pat the edges. If you have a brush, then just go ahead and use a brush, but since I just don't want to use that much of tools also, I am just going to use my hand to show you how it's going. You can see it's almost blended, so just keep on blending. In the process you might lose some pigment, so just go ahead and put some more in the center only. Don't go in the edges you have just blended on. I am going to do my other eyes also, and then I will be right back. So yeah, I have done both of my eyes. अगर आप ये करते हैं then make sure कि आप जो लिपस्टिक यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो तुरंत ना सेट होने वाला हो. Like some lipstick tends to get set very quickly, then आपके पास काम करने के लिए बहुत कम टाइम होगा. So make sure कि आप जो लिपस्टिक यूज़ कर रहे हैं you have enough time to like work and blend. If you are using this lipstick as a eyeshadow, then make sure कि आप इसे सेट कर ले, अदरवाइज़ ये कुछ घंटों के बाद गायब हो जाएगा. So I'm just going to use a eyeshadow for this purpose, but आप जो है वो एक पाउडर यूज़ करिएगा, just a little bit on your hands and just pat it down. What you can do now is कि आप लाइनर लगा सकते हैं, or you can apply a kohl and smudge that out. If you are doing a smudge liner look, then you can smudge the liner using a Q-tip also. So that's a tip, Q-tip tip. That was bad. I am not going to do any shot of that smudge liner because बहुत हो चुका है मेरे चैनल पे, so no more. Like अगर आपको और थोड़ा सा अपने मुंह में 4 चांद लगवाने हैं, then use a glitter eyeshadow. I will be using this brown eyeshadow, but अगर आपको कलर कोऑर्डिनेट करना है, like if you have pink लहंगा, then you can use a pink eyeshadow also, but I am here going to use a brown one and I am just going to apply in the middle of my eyes just to and just tap to blend the edges. Just tap, just don't swipe like this, just tap. इससे क्या होगा कि एक blended effect होगा. So since this is a wedding look, I am going to use a kohl. You can also skip this step if you don't want a kohl, but I like to use a kajal pencil. I am just going to tightline both my upper and my lower lashes. Like, see the difference, it's looking much better. After this, we are going to highlight our faces. To highlight our faces, we are going to use this one. अगर आपके पास highlighter नहीं है, then you can use a shimmer also, like any shimmery eyeshadow.
Just going to use this.
I'm going to take this shimmery shade and I'm going to use it as a highlighter. So here, and just before using any highlighter, just make sure कि ये आपके skin को complement कर रहा है, otherwise this is not going to look good at all. And
On my high points, and then just going to blend. You can also use your beauty blender to blend this.
so we are done with the face. If you have a setting spray, then go ahead and use that all over your face to just set your makeup. And if you don't, then don't worry. Now I will change my outfit and uske baad I will do my lips, so I will be right back. So we are done with the makeup and now I will be doing my lips on camera. So let's do our lips. If you want to see the elaborated version of how I do my lips, then I have uploaded a video on that too. I will link it down below for you guys in case you want to see that. I'm going to use this lipstick. I will link it down below for you guys in the description. So that was it for today's video. I hope कि आप लोगों को ये अच्छा लगा हो. And still, if you have any question or any queries, please feel free to write down in the comments bar below. And just tell me in the comment कि आपको ये look कैसा लगा. And please like the video, share the video, comment down below, and subscribe if you are a newcomer here. Namaste. You are wholeheartedly welcomed here. This was it for today's video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye. I love you.